I find that this or your course has helped me faster than what I have learned from what I've looked over before. So I think um yeah, this course is what I'm looking for. Something that gives me I well I get what I'm trying to say is I have to say because I have looked at others, right? It's got videos, same thing as videos, instructions, stuff like that. But I didn't feel the same way I felt with yours. I felt the other, I'm comparing it like before when I was watching the videos, I can see what they're doing. I apply it, but it's a disaster because I just have to see what they do. I don't know what's in their mind. They don't, so I don't, so I can't put what they know in their mind in my mind. Whereas in yours, you have explained things, which means that explanation has transformed in my mind, which I could use to apply. So I felt this course gives me more advantage to advance myself and to learn better and to be faster. So yeah, I feel your course is what I'm looking for.